Good morning, traders. We got to start out the new year with some technical difficulties and me being very, very late. Well, it is what it is. Having some real issues with my streaming software. They changed the whole way it operates. Like, with no notice, all of a sudden, just streamed Saturday. I don't know what the deal is there. Let's see, the SPY pulling back, having a nice dump there at the beginning of market open. And a little pullback day today there so far. Let's see, IMMX. Granted rare, FDA designation. Could be a possible play. A little high up at the moment. Come on. It's actually making this little... looks like it may be about to try to test 8 here very soon. Possible flag here. Let's keep that on watch. Oh, it's already on the watch list. Don't like that. Don't like that. Bunch of lower price stocks moving today. Could see a shift in all the market conditions. TBPH, I don't like that one. Sava getting a nice pop today. Where'd Sava pop? About $6. We keep an eye on Sava. That thing could run. VGO, nothing really there. Nothing there, nothing there. So really not a lot going on this morning. AUVI, I don't like that. It's just got too much. Nah, I ain't trading that. Right now, the only thing I'm seeing is IMX for a possible play, but we don't want to see this crack out. So let's go to the hour charts. Yeah, see, it's the thing on the hour chart. We're way up here. The 10-day moving average is back down at basically $5. It's 507, but Sava's gonna have some type of pullback. I mean, this thing's up already 114%, so yeah. We very well could pull back. It's just there's nothing else going on. I still do have my 20 shares of ISIG that I swung. ISG is looking like it may go bearish, so I may hop out of there. I was up on it a decent amount Friday, but I didn't know it shot back up, so I'm still holding it at the moment. And I am holding C-Pop still. So I broke out of that triangle, still climbing right up on that uptrend. So I'm going to be keeping it for as long as it's holding this uptrend. I'm going to keep holding it. Let's see here. What are you going to do here? IMMX. Let's see. Happy New Year, Lori. Good morning, Cecilia. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Lauren. Uh, good morning, Lightning Rick. You had some beef IMMX already? Yeah, I mean, that's what I was saying. I'm being cautious because it's up quite a bit. It's the beginning of a new year. The SPY did drop pretty dramatically. I mean, that was a three. Actually, let's see, 477 down to. That was almost a $4 drop in a 5-minute candle on the SPY, which is quite a drop. I might have to get out of ISIG. Oh yeah, it's looking like a head and shoulders pattern. I'm gonna see if we get some type of little bounce back up before I get out, but I may have to just jump out. My VUZI swing I'm still holding as well. It's still just hanging out in the same area it was. So let's see if IMMX cracks here or not. Looks like it may crack. Trend line moves about more like that. Something like that. Still starting to curl over a bit there. TRB. What did they have news about? No, oh, Nutrabrand. No, I don't even know why this is on my watch list. Must have been moving Friday. IMX pulling all the way back to 750. Let me look at this daily chart again on this. Oh, this is a new IPO. This IPO'd in December, just gapping up today. So this actually has a lot more potential than I thought it did. I'm going to wait for our play. Trying to hold up 750 as support at this moment. Well, my phones are going off today. What the? Jesus. Okay, I get it. It's a new year. It's Monday. Everybody wants to take my monies. Go away. So buyers did just push it up right there. A few minutes on that candle. I'm gonna let that candle close. And we may get a pop out of this. We may get another little pop here soon. It's hard to tell right at this second, but there's another call coming through. Lord have mercy. Lauren, you made $80 off your Annie swing. Nice job. See, BBJ said BLCT. So what was that? BLCT. There it is. It's $2 stock. Let's see, what do they got? Looks like they may be getting acquired. 36 million in shares, relatively low float. Below everything on the year chart, been in a downtrend. So, I mean, it could pop, but I don't know how much of a pop you're going to get out of it. We'll keep it on watch. It does have, well, I don't know if I'd say that's good news, but it has news. I need to look at it a little closer because some of that tricky news. Good morning, BBJ. I bet you got a bunch of snow because we got hit this weekend with a few inches. So you been up north. I bet y'all got slammed. Yeah, the SPY really looking like it's going to drop some more. It's tried to rebound twice there, but it's starting to form a downtrend. So maybe having a little dumpy dump this start of the year. Just to shake things up nice and crazy. Why not? Let's see, that 200-day is right there ahead of you. Like what, 209? So you got about 15, 16 cents before some major resistance on that play. And it's already having major resistance at 2 as well. All right, here we go. This candle here starts showing just a little green. I'm going. That's 766. Below that candle is 731. 30 cents on 30 shares would be about $9 risk. This thing has pretty low float. So we're dojiing right now. A lot of indecision on this candle. So we may be getting another indecision candle. Buyers keep stepping up to 760. Very nice. Okay, it looks like 765 is where we're having issues at. Bids are trying to stack there, but they keep getting taken out. There's another one. There's a second one. We got taken out. There we go. There we go. Bids starting to stack at that 765. Now it should start to move on up to 770. Yeah, 770 is some resistance. Turning around a little bit there. So we got rejected at 770. We got to break over 775. Okay. It's got to keep holding it up here. We got 2.5 minutes on this candle, so we want it to continue to push up. We don't want it to push down much more. And BLC still pulling back. Nope. As soon as it pushed down to 750, getting pushed all the way back up again. Oh, we're testing 770. Testing 775 through. Okay, all right. We're about to break through 775 again. Give me just a second, guys. All right, another call. So there we go, starting to push back up the top of this resistance. $8 is going to be next main resistance. If we can break over 8 and hold over 8, that will be a good sign of strength, because not one candle was able to close over $8. Even the one where it popped up to 868, it ended up closing way down here. And we're still struggling with the 775 area. You can see it on the level 2. Need to see 775 bids stacking. You can see that selling pressure still there, as 775 is not holding on the bids. Still some sellers all through the ask in this area. Real quick, let's check the SPY. Make sure the SPY's not doing... Yes, the SPY's getting rejected, riding down this trend line, so there could be another big drop coming soon. That could ruin everything. Yeah. It's just going to be make or break on this here in the next little bit. There we go, starting to hold that 775 some. Still a lot of selling all the way up to 8 though. Every cent we push up above 775, there's sellers sitting there. A bunch of them sitting at 779. Let's see if they get taken out or not. I don't see, we're backing down here again. Struggling 775. We can't do that much longer. A lot of selling pressure up there at that 8 area. Do we see another little push over 780? And it's starting to come now. Pushing through. Pushing through. Pushing. There we go. There we go. 780's trying to stack on the bid. Let's see if they can continue. Got to do this. We got to claw our way through each little resistance line until we break 8. Because we're fighting a downtrend on the SPY. Man, look at that. SPY dropping below 476. What's the VIX doing? I had a nice pop up earlier. VIXY. Let me look for something on VXY. If IMMX breaks down for the 15-minute chart, and look what we got going. You can see right here these two flat tops of these bodies on the 15-minute chart, 787. And we come up here and look at where that's at. That's about where the majority of this resistance is, right through there, forming that flat top. So we gotta break. Gotta break through that and 8. I don't know. It's a lot of resistance, a lot of selling so far ahead of this thing, but it is up 117%, so No surprise that people are selling out. It's just whether new buyers are going to come in or not. Starting to get a little push again. Okay. Coming back alive a little bit here. You can see right here where we're hitting right at that flat top still though. So if that, oh, look at there. See, watch it. See if it can break over that flat top. It's starting to break over the flat top. Very nice. Looks like we're going to test 8 here. You can see where it's still fighting on that 15 minute to get over that flat top. Alright, starting to hold 790, so we should get that test to 8 now. Possibly still a lot of selling in here. You can see this candle on the 5 minute starting to get rejected a little bit at the downtrend. Back down on 775. See, that's holding up, and this is how close we're getting. One way or another, we are very close to this breakout or breakdown. Got 9 minutes on this 15-minute candle, so it's still got a lot of time to try to push over those tops. But if it doesn't, that would be a little concerning, because that would show that selling pressure is starting to win. Talking to me, One Life? IMX is bad luck? What do you mean it's bad luck? I do not believe in luck in the stock market or any investments. Luck, hope, wishes, all of that will get you destroyed in a heartbeat. We cannot have hope, we cannot have wishes, we cannot have luck. We are either trained assassin mercenaries to come in here and pillage this market and rip out our ATM withdrawals, or we are just regular retail traders on Wall Street bets hoping and praying that something happens. And I am not a Wall Street bets trader that prays and hopes and wishes and luck. We use technical analysis. We use price action. We don't play with no luck. If this play cracks down, it cracks down. No problem. We'll take a little loss on it. We'll go find and play later. It can make us some money. Very nice. Starting to try to push over here. Towards the end of this candle, we still got 6 minutes, but Already had a little pullback down to the bottom of the trend line. It's pushing back up. Let's see that break at $8. A little bit of selling at $7.95. Keeps popping up on the ask. I think that is only going to be momentary. Testing it now. Got rejected twice. So you can see where we're still getting rejected off of the damn downtrend. SPY still dumping. Or not dumping, but pulling back anyway. Now on the 15 minute, the 10 day is almost caught up. So that's a nice sign, but we are getting, yeah, we may end up pulling back down to the 10 day if we don't break here soon. We've only got like 5 minutes, 10 minutes at most for this thing to break out. I really don't like that 5 minute candle right here. This one where it pushed all the way up, but then just smashed into the trend line and went back red. We do still have 3.5 minutes left on the 15 minute candle though. That's the important one because this is a longer time frame. This is the 5 minutes, this is the 15. This longer time frame is going to be stronger as far as the patterns go than this pattern. So this candle here looks scary, but as long as we're still trying to push up and test the tops of these little flat tops here, we're all right on the 15 minute. We'll see though. It's really struggling. There's been a lot of selling pressure. We've not been able to get through. I don't see anything else really doing too much. Oh, well, C-Pop's pushing back up some. Where did I get C-Pop at? I must have got that the week before last. What am I looking at? Yeah, it's been a while. Let's see, average price $3.19. Well, my price is $3.19. I'm in a profit on this play. We'll come back and check that later. We need to keep an eye on IMX. It's very important this next few minutes here. We'll come back and check those swings. I am keeping an ISIG. Yeah. It's really getting pulled down. I don't like that 15 minute. Let me give it just a little bit longer. See, now we're starting to turn red and we're dropping below the body of this previous candle. If we close like this, pushing down on this 15-minute candle, which we got 2 minutes left, not good. So we need to see this push back up right now. Minute and a half. Now, as long as it closes above the trend line, we could still see the breakout, but I really don't want to see this ugly of a candle. It'd be strong confirmation if we close over 787 over these two tops. I got a minute left to do it. It's about 10 cents away. Still getting hung up at 775 as resistance. 30 seconds. It is holding, but holding right at 775. Getting some bid stacking there. So we're going to close right at 775. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Okay, so this candle here, we've got to push up. We do not push up at all here. We're going to drop all the way back down to 725. Don't want to risk it down that far. I don't think I do. I feel like I'd be risking. I'd be risking about 40 cents on 30 shares. That'd be $12, but I don't know. It could continue to dump, so I don't know if I want to hold it down that low. I don't think I'm going to. It's either going to pop here or I'm getting out. There we go. There comes, starting to push back up here, finally. Oh, nope, still selling pressures. Still quite the battle. Volume has been decreasing too, but that comes along with a consolidation triangle. You're just waiting to see. Basically, buyers and sellers on both sides, the majority are waiting to see which way this is going to come out of this consolidation. SPY, oh God, yeah, SPY's testing 475 as support. It's just a little, there's like literally only 1 5-minute candle left that this can try to make a move on. You shorted JWEL? Well, imagining plays is not going to put any money in your pocket. It's a good conversation starter. You know, imagine if you would have shorted AMC or GameStop at the top. But I save my imagination for my creative side. When we're trading, your imagination is going to work against you, like it is right now. Where you're focused on a play that, you know, you could have maybe shorted and got it, you know, but what's the next play? The previous plays don't matter anymore, especially if you didn't get in it. If you missed the play, you missed the play, so you got to move on and be looking for the next play, mapping out. You, like One Live said, map out your points and support and resistance and be ready on the next play. Now, of course, if you did get in a stock and it didn't work out for you, you do want to look back at it and analyze why it didn't work out. But yeah, it looks like we're starting to crack, very close to cracking here. Let's see, we still got 6 minutes on this 15-minute candle. I don't like how close this is to cracking. Man, because the SPY is still pulling back. I may just cut all my swings. And it's still above the 10-day on the day, though. If the SPY drops below, what is that, 472.58, then we're going to have a pullback probably down at 450. IMX is trying to push back up here, though. Last little candle. Last little candle. We are in this tip. Where are we going, baby? Let's go. It's a new year. Show us something, IMX. Let's get frisky here. Let's get frisky here. Ooh, big buyers starting to come in here. We survived that selling pressure. Buyers are starting to feel it. The FOMO is, FOMO may be starting to kick in here. I mean, Sicilian, why would I listen to somebody talking about a play being bad luck? I have nothing, there's no luck involved in this. You either have a good entry or you don't, and you have everything plotted out, or you don't. Either you know what you're doing or you don't know what you're doing. There's no luck involved. And this is why we don't pay attention to luck. Little quick pop there. Uh-oh. All over the place. We're getting wild. So this bad boy could still go either way. We were looking good for a second with a quick pop and then getting slammed back down. But 775 was able to hold as support. Buyers immediately bought it off there. So we're going to, of course, this last candle is going to be tricky. It looks like we may start dumping. Still a lot of selling pressure. Putting a stop loss in right above. Actually, hold on a second. This thing's still volatile. I'm going to wait for I put in an actual physical stop loss because I don't want it to wick down and stop me out. $775 still holding. Man, this thing is really bouncing back and forth here. Got a minute on this candle. Buyers starting to stack at 780 pretty strong. A lot of them just came through on that time and sales. That whole time and sales went green. Let's see if the buyers move it up any. They need to move up over 790. because they're willing to buy it at 775 and 780 right now, but they're not willing to buy it at 790 and $8. So we really need to see buyers moving up there. See a little selling pressure again at 785. We got 5 seconds on this candle, so it's not going to be this candle. It's going to be probably this candle. Look at this 15-minute. So again, indecision there. We got 5 minutes on this. Oh no, I think we're all right. I think we may be about to break here. So you look at the 15-minute, 10 days below. This is very bullish on the 15-minute. It just needs to bounce off and break over 8 strong finally. I like what I'm seeing on the 15-minute. Let's go back, check that hour chart, see what the hour chart's looking like. Hour chart, not bad either. Here comes a test to 8. There we go, starting to break 8 again. Oops, wrong one. Put on that 15-minute, there we go. Look at here, doji, little indecision candle starting to get followed by a bull candle. This 15-minute candle can keep pushing and close like it looks now. It doesn't have any type of pullback. We're going to go here. And we're starting to go through 1850. Some sellers at 1818 for some reason. It's a weird line for them to be at, but whatever. It's 820 almost. As long as we're holding $8, we're good to go. I'm not gonna sell a third right now. I only got 30 shares. Need a little bit more move than this to sell any of it. I'm looking for a test up to 850. If we get up to 850, I'll start thinking about locking out there. I'm not gonna sell this while we're just now getting over 8 for the first time. So things got tight. Look, there we go. Keep on going. Nice little push off the trend line there. Possible move to 850 here. We'll go ahead and get ready. And woo, testing 850. We might break 850. Oh, right through 850. Let's see if it's there. You about to get frisky? Okay, got held up again at 850, but did throw a wick up through there. Testing 850 again. Testing it again. Let's see. I like that. I like seeing it just bust through 850 on the first try. Now if we can just keep testing it, we're not going to slow down and we may make for a new high a day. So we are getting some selling pressure. Whoa! Oh, little tricky guy. Hard rejection off of that 850. Hard rejection. I do not like that wick. Did the SPY start pulling back more? No, SPY still holding right above 475. Alright, we're getting a stop loss in. What's my entry? 766. So we'll put a stop loss right below 770. And regardless. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not there. Not there. That was the wrong spot. I'll be doing all that now. Alright, so, yeah. Actually, let's see. 762. Yeah, we're good. So I got my stop loss in there. This will be at least a little profit, but I don't want to hold it if it drops back below that. But I don't know if this is done yet. That was a nasty, nasty little rip up to the 850. It's a very ugly wick. Look on the 1 hour. Oh, I just got stopped on. Oh shit! I only put the 10 in there. Damn it. It's my original entry 766. See, that's starting to crack there. Yeah, I think I'm just going to lock this out unless it just all of a sudden pops it back above 8. Dude, one little wick down there. I'm kind of glad. 761. You dropped right below. It tried. That market maker reached down there and got my stop loss, but thank God I'd only put 10 in there on accident. That actually worked out some. Maybe. We'll see. This thing is really all over the place. Yeah, SPY looks like it's about to dump some more here any minute. Putting the stop loss back in. And I'm gonna take a quick little break here. I'm starting to get mentally fatigued from fighting with this thing back and forth. So yeah, I'm gonna take a couple minute break. I will be right back. Got the stop loss in. I'm either gonna stop out or I'm not. We'll see. All right. So that did stop me out, but sometimes, I've been in this for a while, for over 30 minutes, and this thing has just been going all over the place. And then at that last wick there, that very quick drop we had within a split second, I was feeling like I was going to do something stupid and would take my stop loss out or something. So I figured I just better just leave the stop loss where I originally planned it and stick to the plan and walk away. Plan didn't work, but guess what? Well, the breakout didn't work like I anticipated, but the plan worked. I only lost 15 cents. So that's the difference between taking a very small loss that is irrelevant versus not sticking to your plan and end up taking, quite a bit bigger loss. So I'd rather stick to my plan, and if I'm feeling mental fatigued, I'm going to walk away. I'm not a robot. I want to be a robot, but I'm not. I'm not the Terminator. I'm a weak, frail human, and little things, weak, frail humans, as much as we like to think we're at the top of the food chain, we get stung by a bee and most of us cry. So I'm not I'm not one of those ones to think that we're all good. Yeah, ISIG, I'm kind of getting ate up on at the moment. I'm getting ready to take that too. I'm going to eat that little swing loss. That one's a little bit bigger, but I was banking on the SPY continuing to push today. And of course, the one day where I'm like, oh yeah, the SPY will probably move up is the day where it's like, nah, man. All those other times you want it to be bearish, not this time. Or all those other times you want it to be bearish and we go bullish, nah, we're doing the opposite now. Yeah, look at the SPY on the 1 hour, actually. Still 20 minutes on this candle, but that's a bearish candle. Engulfing bearish, swallowing this whole green candle so far. So, a lot can change in 20 minutes. We'll go through these PRs and stuff like that, but with the way the market's acting, let's see, is anything else popping at all? AUVI still slowly climbing. GILT, that's barely moved in the past. It's moved 20 cents in the past 40 minutes, so nothing there. Nothing on SIG, SFT. That's an interesting chart on Sino on the hour. I'll throw Sino on the watch list. No PR though. This could be a pump. Seva, EVGO. Let's see. EVGO, nothing there. APRTS. So let's see. How am I down $8 if my average price is at $3.19? I'm not understanding why the P&L day. Oh, yeah, P&L day. Oh, never mind. No, I'm up $15. Okay. I was getting my P&L open and day confused. Because there's the 15-cent loss. No, that is right. P&L on the day for this is a 15-cent loss. This still could move, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. CPOP is showing P&L day $7. How does that make any sense? Let's see, do I want to keep my VUZI swing? Yeah, I'm going to keep my VUZI swing. It's been bouncing off this, but ISIG I'm about to get out of. A little double bottom on the 5 minute though. Let's see. Actually, let me look at the daily chart. I should look at the daily chart before I make that decision. So on the daily chart, we've just pulled back. We're still bullish on the daily. We're above the 10-day, so I don't know if I'll drop that yet. Jesus Christ. My phone is going crazy today. It's driving me nuts. It's non-stop ringing off the hook this morning. I don't know what is going on. Holy tits, this is a lot of emails. Sino's definitely interesting. The big concern is, though, with the SPY doing what it's doing at the moment. As long as it holds that 10-day, the SPY is still okay. But if the SPY is to start really dropping, that could really ruin ISIG's bullishness on the daily. It's a really hard uptrend to draw because it's not really, this thing's so damn volatile. Yeah, I would say that's kind of the uptrend. What did Save end up doing? Save end up falling down some. Still could be a play. Exclusive. So, okay, the CEO of IMMX is going to be live on YouTube in a little bit. And I could get some more pumps. It still hasn't sold off yet, so this may still be a play. Let's get back into the 1 hour chart. I'd really like to see it come back down to that let's see, was that $5.75, $6 area here in a little while. I actually got 14 minutes on this candle, on this hour chart, so I'm going to wait and see how that closes, because that is a lot of space for this to fall down. There is maybe some area at 650. Yeah, maybe support at 650, but we got some at 650, 615, $6, 557 is the 10-day. So maybe we could see this rip a little bit later. ISIG, what are you gonna do? So read some of the headlines. SPY is close to possibly breaking the trend line. Let's see. U.S. construction spending is up. But if you're spending U.S. dollars and inflation is up, then yeah, spending is going to... actually, no, it's... So it failed the estimate, but it is better than it was. PMI, not too much different. Actually, it's below the estimate, but just barely. I don't really care what President Biden has to tweet, because I know damn well he doesn't know how to use Twitter. Nothing else on economic data, so SPY is starting to break that downtrend. Let's pull up the trading view indexes and take a look what's going on there. Let's pop back on IMX. Just keep an eye on it for now. Indexes and futures. Gold is down. Silver's down. Bitcoin's about where it was at. Dow Jones is up. Oil's still holding okay. Real estate's down, so the dollar must have strengthened. Let's see. Oh yeah, the dollar had a little strengthening day today on the first day of the year. So that's why everything else is pulling back. Yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum futures looking a little rough, so the crypto market must be a little down. Let's see if there's any big gainers. Whoops. Yeah, crypto market's a little quiet too right now. So everything is a little quiet. Oh, you having issues with your flight, Lauren? Oh, by the way, I don't know if H&H Trader announced it in his live stream this morning, but you guys asked for it. And guess what? You got it. We have a Framework Fortune Discord officially. So all you have to do to join the Discord is go to frameworkfortune.com, sign up with your email. There's no paywalls, and you will get access to the Framework Fortune Discord, which has all of the crypto groups, pretty much everything that was on the site. But you guys really wanted more of Discord, so that's fine. We'll take the groups down from the site, and we'll have a full on Discord. So you want to join the Discord, be sure go to frameworkfortune.com and you will be able to join it with that sign up. But we're going to keep doing it that way to keep spammers out. It's live right now. You can go to the website if you're already a member of frameworkfortune.com. You can go pop on that Discord. As you can see, we are waiting. And Lauren, I know I still got to talk to you about everything, so we'll get together and we'll talk about everything. But I got to invite you as moderator. I haven't done that yet. But we do have a Discord officially. So frameworkfortune.com, sign up. You can get right in the Discord, no problems. And we got 17 people in here. We only got 10 likes. Come on, what's you other 7 people? You don't like me, you other 7 people? Look at this face. Look at the puppy dog eyes. You hit the like button, please? Come on, it's New Year's, guys. What's going on? It's New Year, great day. So we're bouncing off of that 10 days so far. I said I wanted to wait a little bit longer for this hour candle to close. Let's see, pop. See, ISIG still holding in there. Hobby's the only thing that's uptrending. Put Avi on the watch list. It's not on there? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Yeah, Lauren, nice job on that anti-swing, getting a nice rip there. SPY still struggling with this uptrend or with this downtrend. You look at it on the 15 minute, the SPY is still looking really ugly. Real ugly. I still got plenty of capital, but there's nothing I really want to get in. I'm not going to throw capital around just to throw it around. Got 6 minutes left on this candle. There's no reason yet to even get in though. ISIG, what are you gonna do, bud? What are you gonna do? This thing is very bearish on the 15 minute. Some strong support. 20. Yeah, $20 is holding up as some very strong support. What's it at right now? 2060. 60 more cents, be $12 more dollars, yeah. I'm starting to get a curl over. Yeah, I don't know. This is a risky play now at this point. We've lost that upward momentum in the short term, but if it tends to be a long-term swing, I mean, this could drop so much. So this play right now is just too risky to me. I'm not going to get in it. DCPH, what's going on with you? They got some type of, oh, that was one I think I remember last week. Let me look at this on the daily. Yeah, it's that one that I was just meeting at a conference. It's not really good. Yeah, IMMX. Yeah, I think IMX is done for now. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything else I want to get in. Yeah, save is below those EMAs as well. So I don't have that little uptrend on the daily chart, but it's on the. Actually, it's the first time Sino's been over $5 since April of last year. I'm going to keep that one on watch. That one doesn't look terrible, at least for this week. Maybe not today. I think I'm going to hold off on taking any other trades today, just because I want to see how the SPY is going to react. If for this new year. Just the overall market and everything. With everything being down this morning so far, it's hard. I mean, it may not mean anything. Everything could rebound by the end of the day. So that's what I want to kind of wait and see. I'm not going to throw any more capital around the day. It's just not any like plays that are making me go, oh man, I gotta watch that. All these stocks on the Ripper scanner, they're nothing. There's just no good setups. Let's see, let me check the top NASDAQ gainer list. So we got GMPX. Okay, that ripped. Running that 200-day moving average. So another one. That one is moving, but what is it up? It's up 112% as well. So let's take a look at GMPX. I don't like that it's below the, well, at this moment it is above the 200-day, but we came from the very bottom here. So any type of moves on this are going to have to be, yeah, that's the 1 hour chart. I'm not buying in on that. Yeah, no, that's the 15-minute chart too. Yeah, I'm not buying it. Yeah, no, this thing's got to come back down. I ain't jumping in there. I'm at the top of the escalator. There's that pullback on IMX. So yeah. Yeah. SPY's still pushing down. I think it's a good time to probably call it. No reason to waste time sitting around looking for stuff to move when it's not really moving. And if they are, they do not look great. So we'll just come back tomorrow. This does have a nice uptrend, but like I said, oh no, this is Avi. Yeah, Avi, I think, where was Avi above the daily chart? No, Avi's below, so that's more than likely not going to do anything either. Yeah, GMPX struggling there. All right. Well, like I said, I'm not going to take any more trades. I'll come back in when the market is showing that it is heavier on the buying side, because right now we just have so much indecision on this first day of the year. Surprise, surprise. No bullish market right away to start out the year. Nice, Lightning Rick. But yeah, I'm going to call it a day, guys. If you haven't yet, if you did not hear the announcement, go hop on frameworkfortune.com, sign up for free, come join the Discord. Still don't got nobody in here yet. Nobody's joined. You guys wanted it. So it's there. It's live. It's ready to go. We're going to start posting content in there. A lot of content in there. Especially because Discord can pay for it instead of me having to pay for all that space. That storage space. I don't even know what that means. VUR.FYI. So, yeah. We will be back tomorrow for some more livestock trading. We should be on time. I did not fix the original streaming software. I had to take a different route. So, I'll have to work on that today so we don't have any issues tomorrow, because I want to be on time at 9 o'clock Central, ready to go, so we don't miss any moves. Yeah, I'm not trading any of this nonsense today. Algo's breaking out. Very nice. Yeah, we will be back at 4:30 on the Framework, or actually 4 p.m. Central on the Framework Fortune crypto channel for the live crypto update. So you can come join us over there at that time. See what's happening with the crypto markets, do some technical analysis, and probably take a peek-sees at some projects. I got into Solana over the weekend a little bit more. I've got 2 Solana wallets. I'm staking Solana, and Solana has a nice little perk of staking that I did not know that they had. It is very similar to persistence in the Cosmos ecosystem, but it's liquid staking. So if you want to hear more about the Solana network and the Solana wallets and liquid staking, come join me 4 p.m. Central, Framework Fortune Crypto. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Happy New Year's to everybody. Let's get it started off right and get active, get out there, spread the word. Framework Fortune 2022 is going to be our year as a community, as a brand, and as a company. We're going to take over all kinds of spaces. Hal's fired up, I'm fired up, Ruben's fired up, Lauren is always fired up. Let's go. Love you guys too. You too, Lori. Have a great day. Guys, until next time. Right? What do I always say? Thank you for joining me.